I am Arindam Banerjee from BSc MPCS second year. Today, I want to just conduct a very small seminar on behalf of the topic balanced diet, on which few days back I was going through it. As my father belongs to the hospital department, I was just getting few more details on balanced diet. So there I came to know about what actual a balanced diet means what we eat every day in our daily routine. That's not actually a balanced diet. We should follow a proper schedule and proper diet, that is which has proper equal value of carbohydrate, equal value of fibers, equal value of fat, and equal value of protein. That calls a balanced diet. As suppose if I take an example of a non-veg item like chicken, let us take an example of 100 gram of chicken. As a adult person can eat 100 gram of chicken easily at his or her any diet, either in morning or in the afternoon or in the dinner. So if we consume 100 gram of chicken, in that if we calculate the carbohydrate, proteins and fats from that, then we will come to know that for preparing the chicken, it took some amount of water which doesn't contain any kind of fat, carbohydrates or fiber. It just contains minerals which doesn't affect our body for any kind of balanced diet. So for balanced diet, we need to calculate only fibers, carbohydrates and protein and fats. If you're consuming high quantity of fat, we'll get a disease regarding lungs and heart. So we should maintain fat and protein both together. So if I'm consuming 100 gram of chicken, in that we have to minus 20 to 25 percentage of 100 gram as water, because some amount of water is required to boil it, and because of the water the weight increases of the chicken. So out of 100 gram we are remaining with the 75 gram of chicken, out of which 50% is our fat and protein included in that, and the 25% is there which is carbohydrates remaining in the chicken. So if we calculate it, 1 gram of chicken is equal 1 gram of food is equal to 4 gram of 4 gram of protein, and 1 gram of food is equal to 9 grams of fats and 4 grams of carbohydrate. So like this we have to calculate and we have to prepare our balanced diet. We need not have to go to any dietitian or any physician to suggest our diet. We can easily calculate our diets and we can go for it. Similarly, in the case of vegetables also and pulses also, in pulses and vegetables, the quantity of fat will be lesser than the quantity of non-veg.
We lost Arindam, is it?
No, yeah.
No, ma'am, I'm there only.
You're there?
Yeah.
Is it over? Are you done? Or did you pause?
Yes, no, I didn't pause actually. I was thinking if anyone have any kind of doubt or any kind of question to ask me, so I just paused myself for a second.
Then you should tell us.
Okay,
do you have any questions? You should ask us. Do you have any questions or doubts?
So on balanced diet, does anyone have any questions to ask Arindam?
What about
continue.
red meat? What is your take on red meat, Arindam?
Arindam,
Is-
continue.
How much of red meat can one consume?
Red meat, ma'am, if you see, it contains high amount of fat in it because of the because we are having fat more in that, so we have to consume around 50 to 60 gram of red meat at a day. And
Okay.
if you're consuming red meat once today,
Hmm.
then throughout the day you shouldn't eat any kind of highly protein food.
Okay. That takes care of your protein
Yes,
content
ma'am. Because
completely.
in red
Oh.
meat you are having fat also, protein also, and carbohydrates also.
Mhm.
And like I said that in chicken, if you are having 100 gram of chicken at a time, then you are consuming in a total meal of that time, you are consuming around 800 to 900 calories.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Because we are having rice also, we are having pulses also, we are having vegetables also with that, and we are having chicken also. And if someone is having sweet also, that contains high amount of calories.
Yeah. So we have to
So
be
then if you
careful.
are, yes ma'am, if you are having 800 grams of calorie at a time, that means you have to consume food only thrice a day.
Okay.
Because 800 into 3 is equal to 2400.
Huh.
As a human being of urban areas should should consume calories of 2000 to 2500 calories only.
And how much should we burn a day, Ma? If you're consuming, let's say, 2,100 calories a day, every day, how much of it should we burn?
You should burn, if you are consuming 2100 calories, you should burn around 300 to 400 calories.
Every day
Because
we should
for a,
burn. Then it will
yes
be
ma'am,
balanced.
because
Yeah.
for a bed patient, the minimum calorie is 1800 calories.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That is
Arindam, here
minimum.
is a
My
question.
doubt is,
Arindam,
Arindam,
here is a
Yes, ma'am.
question from one of the students. Arindam, so eating light food at night, is it good for health or not? From Nirav Modi.
Eating light food at night is good for health, but it should fulfill your stomach. We should not sacrifice our stomach, or we should not sacrifice our hungriness. We should fill our stomach up to which we are unable to eat. Means
So
after half
maybe
an hour, you
salad,
should
soup,
be
and
able to
things
eat.
like that. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
my doubt is chicken good or red meat good? Which one we should
Obviously,
consume?
if you are consuming red meat more, you will contain more fat in your body compared to
Mhm.
chicken.
Okay.
White meat is always better. Chicken and
Yes.
fish is always better than this thing
Instead of-
because you can consume more.
I'll prefer instead if you can go for egg or fish, that will be much more better than chicken and red meat.
Okay. Okay.
Now, Nirav Modi is asking another question: how to burn calories?
Very good. Very good question. Very good
For
question.
burning calories, we can go for exercises. That's the only main thing by which we can burn calories.
Oh.
As a student of my age or below my age and above my age also, up to 30-35 years, anyone can go for running for 4 and 5 kilometers every day in any
What should
time, either
people
in
like
the
us?
morning.
People like us
You
can,
people
can
eat
still
People
around,
like us
yes ma'am, for up
who are
to
above
after
50?
the age of 40. Yes ma'am,
Above
after
50,
40,
what this?
the kilometer distance is 3,200 meters to 3,500 meters. Means
Okay.
3.5 up to 3.5 kilometers. If you walk at a constant speed,
Uh-huh.
then you will burn around 250 to 300 calories.
Okay. You
The
mean to say
main
it should be
thing
a brisk walking?
Yes, ma'am. The main
Okay.
thing that that we have to focus is that after workout,
Mm-hmm.
we should not immediately come and sit in front of cooler, AC, or fan.
Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
At least for half an hour or 20 minutes, we should stay away from that. We should
Mm-hmm.
make the sweat come out from our body. By that
Mm-hmm.
only we will burn our calories and fat will reduce.
So
Okay,
naturally
that's-
allow the body to cool
yeah,
down.
that's a very nice point you have given, which we have never concentrated on. Good point. Thank you.
Thanks, Arindam. So prepare something tomorrow also interesting to tell us like this.
Others also, please prepare some topics and come.
So Priya, do you have, how much time is left?
9 minutes.
So
9
Priya,
minutes.
do you have a textbook with you?